Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing on the Assam Geography. This will be the first class. So let's start from the basics. When we talk about Assam, the latitude of Assam is located in 24 degree north to 28 degree north. And the longitude is 90 degree east to 96 degree east. Let's look into the international and interstate boundaries of Assam. Assam shares its boundaries with two countries, that is Bangladesh and Bhutan. And 8 districts of Assam shares international boundaries. Let's look into the districts. Firstly, it is Baksa, Chirang, Kokrajhar, Udalguri, Karimganj, Kachar, Dhubri, and South Salmara. The 4 districts of Bodoland and Karimganj, Kachar, Dhubri, and South Salmara. Now let's look into the interstate borders. 24 districts of Assam shares boundary with other states of India. That is, it shares boundaries with Arunachal Pradesh. And how many districts of Assam shares boundary with Arunachal Pradesh? That is 8 districts. Okay. And with Nagaland, 6 districts. With Meghalaya, 8 districts. Manipur, 2. Tripura, 1. And Mizoram, 3. And the longest boundary that Assam shares with any state is Meghalaya. Okay. Assam shares the longest boundary with Meghalaya. And the shortest boundary is being shared with Tripura. That is 46.3 km. And with Meghalaya, it is 884.9 km. Just to keep in mind, there is only one district of Assam that shares boundary with Tripura, and that is Hailakandi. Okay. Let's look into some of the static facts of Assam. Area-wise, Assam is roughly 78,438 square kilometers. And according to this area, it is 16th largest in India. And based on population, it is 15th largest in India. And it occupies 2.39% of total Indian landmass. And the population of Assam based on 2011 census is 3.12 crore. And this 3.12 crore is 2.58 of total Indian population. And out of 3.12 crore, only 14.1% of 3.12 crore lives in the urban areas. Okay. And the remaining 85.90 lives in the rural areas. And what is the population density of Assam? That is 398 per square kilometer. And how do we find out the population density? That is total population, which is 3.12 crore. This will be divided by the total area. Okay. And 34% of Assam is under forest. And what is the area of the forest, total forest land in Assam? That is 26,832 square kilometer. Let's look into the state symbols of Assam. State song. The state song of Assam is O More Apunar Day. State motto is Joy I Ohom. State festival Bihu. State dance Bihu Nas. State flower Foxtail orchid, or it is also known as Kopu Phul in Assamese. It is important to know both of this, and I also just mentioned the scientific name, which is not so important, but you can just still look into it. And when was it declared as the state flower? It was declared as the state flower on the year 2003, 4th of April. And what is the state tree of Assam? The state tree of Assam is Holong, or it is also known as Dipterocarpus macrocarpus. Again, it was declared on the same date, 4th April 2003. And what is the state animal? We all know already, it is one-horned rhino, or it is also known as boar. It is needful to keep both in mind. And what is the state bird? State bird of Assam. The state bird of Assam is white-winged wood duck, or it is also known as deoha. And what is the state drink of Assam? That is tea. And it was declared as a state drink on the year 2011, November 23. Divisions based on administrative purpose. Assam is divided in various. Let's look into the divisions based on administrative purpose. Regional divisions: Upper, Lower, North, Middle, and Barak Valley. Total 5. And there are 3 territorial autonomous council. That is Bodoland Territorial Autonomous Council, Dima Hasao Territorial Autonomous Council, and Karbi Anglong Territorial Autonomous Council. And there are also other councils. They are Rabah Hazong, Mishing, Tiwa, Deuri, Tengal Kachari, and Sonwan. And there are total 33 developmental council which are caste oriented. Okay. Let's look into some other facts of Assam. The largest district of Assam is Karbi Anglong. And the second largest is Dima Hasao. And the smallest is South Salmara. Actually, a few months back, or just 1 year back, it was Bojali. Okay, but since it has been merged back with Borpeta, so now the smallest district of Assam is South Salmara. District has the highest population, that is Nagaon, and the lowest population is Dima Hasao, and the highest population density is Kamrup Metro, and the lowest population density again it's Dima Hasao. So this was the first class of geography, Assam Geography. These were very basics. We'll come up with more. Please stay connected.